Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to locally install WordPress on your computer. So let's begin. Okay, so the first step will be to open our internet browser. Okay, we can go to Google in this case, and we can search for local WP. The first one, you can click there, and as you can see, we have an option that says download for free. We can click here. We need to choose our platform. As you can see, it works with Mac, Intel, Mac, Apple, Silicon, Windows, Linux. So in our case, it's going to be Windows. And actually, you only need to choose here and to put an email. Okay. So in my case, yeah, it's going to be this one. We can press on Get It Now, and as you can see, it will start downloading the software. So we just need to wait. Okay, so after it's downloaded, we can just press on our downloads folder, or right here actually, we can press Ctrl J and go to our download folder. We can just execute the installer. Gotta wait. Okay, so actually we can press here where it says only for me. So if you only want it for one user on your computer, you can select that. But if you have more users and you want it to have it on all of them, you can press on the other option. So in my case, I only want it for me. We can press on install. We'll start installing the software. Okay, so actually we can press and run log on finish. It will run the software. Also, as you can see, we have a desktop icon, so we can open it from both options. After that, we can click on I have read and agree to local terms of service. We click on I agree, and we can create a free account. It's very important, guys, to create an account. We can just, I don't know, use these, like our credentials for that. We create our account, and we can go to our phone or whatever just to check the email of the account to verify our account. So we can press on the email to verify email address, and after that we're good to go. We can come back to the basically to the app, and after that we can click here on create a new site. I think it's not necessary to create an account, so you can skip that step. We can create here, we can create from a blueprint. So for example, if we wanted to create a website based on some plugins or themes, we can press there, but in my case I just wanted to create a new site. Also, we can drag like a zip with to import our website. So in my case, I just going to create a new site. We can just call it, for example, first website, and we can press on continue. We can put on preferred and custom. In my case, I will leave it on preferred. We can just create admin, password, and just for example, yeah, this one. And we can just create a note in our case. Okay, a sticky note with all these, like, Okay, so after that we can click on add site. We need to allow permissions for this to work. So in my case, I will click on allow. The same with this, same with this. This basically are all the things that need to run, and also we need to press here on yes, where it's requesting some administrator permissions. So we click on yes, And actually with that, we just need to wait to download it, and we're good to go. So it's adding WordPress to our site. It's installing, and actually we already have our site running. So we can click on open site, and as you can see, we have our first website. Okay, so we can go to WP admin, we can put our credentials, and we can edit our website. And yeah guys, that's it. That's how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. So thank you so much.